Hello everyone. Now take some glue, add some water to it in a bowl and then mix it up. Taking multiple pieces of tissue, add your tissue to a blown up balloon and then add your mixture of glue and water to it. Let it dry and then cut up the balloon. Take out the broken balloon from the inside and then paint your balloon, or rather its stencil, in orange and yellow as such. Add multiple pieces of clay and then make the eyes out of it. Then taking some more clay out of yellow and white, or it can even be orange and white, make the fins of this fish that you are creating. Add some light to the inside of it and then add the tail at the back as such. Next, we'll be learning how to make these kind of lanterns. In order to do this, take a piece of paper and then it should be rectangular in nature. Make multiple strips out of it and cut it into pieces. Add a piece of thread through the middle and the top. At the top, make a circular piece out of it and then tie it up as such. Spread it out to make the lantern. Take a yellow sheet of paper, make multiple slits out of it and then adding tape to one of the ends, roll it up. Add some light inside. Now, in order to make this, take a square sheet of paper, cut out a circular shape out of it. Fold the circular sheet of paper into half as such. After folding it up into two pieces with the middle piece still remaining, add some glue to it. It should form an internal heart as such. Make multiple pieces of this and then stick it in an entire circle. Add a bead to the center so that it looks like a flower. At the base, add some more glue and then stick multiple pieces of these together until it forms a circle. Take a red sheet of paper, make multiple slits out of it, add tape to one of the ends and then stick it at the bottom after rolling it up as such. Finally, add two more pieces to it and then hang it up. Next, we'll be making this lantern. Start off by taking some clay. Make a circle out of this clay. Then take a blown up balloon and then stick multiple pieces of this kind of clay to it. Stick some glue to it and then burst the balloon. In the middle of it, add a light. Take a bottle and then make multiple slits in this bottle. Now, insert a balloon into this bottle and blow it up accordingly. At the top, using the bottle cap, add some thread that way you can hang it in. Inside, before you put the bottle cap, add a light into it and then stick on a cute little face as well as ears to it, as well as the dangly portion. Next, start off by taking an orange and then cut off the top of it. Squeeze the orange as such and then scoop out the fleshy portion of it. Now you should only be left with the peel. Add two toothpicks to two ovular pieces of the orange and then add it as the ears. Add a cute little face to it. Next, take a rectangular sheet of paper, cut it up into half. Fold over two of the edges and then fold it over downwards. Bend it in half and do the same on the other side. Make multiple pieces of this and then put them one on top of the other. It can be of different colors. Tie a knot using some thread in the middle of it. Then lift each of the edges upwards. At the bottom layer, let it be green so that it looks like leaves. Take a pink sheet of paper, add tape to one of the ends, make multiple slits on the other and hang it to the bottom as such. Next, take multiple bottle caps and then make a hole through each of them. Add them a thread through it and then knot it up in a circular shape. Then take another sheet of paper, add tape to one of the ends and then make multiple slits on the other. Roll it up using another bottle cap, stick it all together and hang it in place. Next, take a bottle, make multiple slits in it and cut out these slits. Bend it as such. Now, blow a balloon through it. Once you blow a balloon, take the bottle cap off this balloon, pull a thread through it so that you can hang it with it. Take a semicircular shape, add tape to one of the ends and then do two of these and then add it as the ears. Add cute little eyes as well as a mouth to it. Thank you for watching.